the train yard.
We are at the Bailey train yard. Are there lots of trains? Lots and lots, huh? It's named after Ed Bailey, who was a previous president of Union Pacific. And the coolest thing about this place, I thought, is that a lot of the mechanics have NASCAR-like training, so they can get the trains in and out super quick, just like the race cars.
So there's a couple different types of service that they do here at the Bailey Train Yard. One of them is that throughbound trains will get gassed up, and they've got a facility over here that they can gas up multiple engines at once. So they can pull in, gas all the engines, and then send the train along its way. But the neat part, I think, is they have what they call a classification yard over here, and the track splits into a ton of different tracks. And then what they can do is they can push a train over the what's called a hump, one car at a time, and then from the car at the top, or from the control thing at the top, they can decide which outgoing train that car needs to be attached to. So they can bring in a whole bunch of cars and then split them up to a bunch of outgoing trains. And they push them over this little hill, it's not very big, and then as the car coasts down the hill, they can use switches and actuators to slow down the trains and direct it into the right outbound track, which is a really neat way of sorting all the trains without having to move the engines back and forth all the time. So they have two yards here, one's over here, and then there's another one over this direction as well that they can use to sort the cars.
And because we are